Very good evening to all of you, and today we will discuss the Asclepidaceae family and this Asclepidaceae family, which we are calling the Madar family, and this family is also called the milkweed family. This milkweed family, as per the Bentham and Hooker, this is a Dicotyledons, Gamopitali, Bicarpellati, Gentianales. Angler and Plantel place them into the Dicotyledons, Sympetali, and this Contortae, and also the Hutchinson placed them into Dicotyledons, Lignosi, and Apocanines. This family includes the 175 genera and 2,200 species, widely distributed into the tropical and subtropical regions of the world. In India, it is represented by 53 genera and about 250 species, occurring mostly in tropical Himalaya and southern as well as the western India. And the familiar examples are Madar, Calotropis procera, milkweed, Asclepias. This Asclepias also belongs to this family. The Tylospora also belongs to this family. Once we are again, I'm coming to this family which we are calling the Asclepidaceae family. The very distinguished features of this family are they are perennial erect herb or shrub with milky juice. The very important one is that they are producing the milky juice. The leaves are opposite, rarely alternate or hold, simple, entire, sometime absent. The flower is in chymose arrangement or racemose. Inflorescence is there. Hermaphrodite flower is there. Pentamerous, except in pistils. The calyx lobes are 5. Estibation is quinquennial. Odd sepal are posterior. Corolla tubes is a short one, often with a ring of scale at the mouth. Estivation is velvet type estivation is there, or as well as the imbricate estivation may be there. The stamen is 5, rarely free, generally connate into the column with the anther adhering the stigma by broad connectives forming the gynostegium. Either corolla or stamen or both may bear appendages or of various forms forming single or double corona. Pollen is in 1 or 2. Granular or waxy masses into the E cell at the angle of stigma. Style is 2, connate, cohering above and dilated in the form of 5 angles. The stigma is head of on the underside of which are 5 receptive surfaces is there. Fruit is normally 2 follicles. So this family is representing the 2200 species has been recognized. The taxonomic status of this family need revision because some opinions differ regarding the number of the genera into this family. So the Rendell, Woodson, they also work on this family. So they are having a different numbers. But now there are 175 genera and 2200 species has been recognized. This family is growing into the tropics, inhabiting the arid soils. Some species are also represented in temperate zones. This vegetative structure, the vegetative characteristics, as well as the floral structures may be there. In this case, this is a Calotropis procera, which you can find it into your diagram. This flowering branch, sepals, staminal column, ovary is also been there, and follicles has also been there. This is another one which we call the Pargularia, also belong to this family. So this family vegetative feature is this is a perennial one. This perennial herbs, Asclepias or Daimia. So these are shrubs, Calotropis, Leptodermis. These are the containing latex. The plant may have a climber or twiner. Also, they are having the climbing herbs are also been there. The plants are this cactus-like, the Staplia. Also, the succulent Hoya also belongs to this family. Fleshy stems and leaves, some epiphytic decidia. The roots are deep tap roots are there. Root stalk may have a tuberous and fleshy structures may be there, or food storage system is also been recognized into this family. Adventitious and epiphytic climbers by means of these roots. Endotropic mycorrhiza in the roots is the succulent species is frequent. The stem is woody below, herbaceous above, covered in many cases with wax, Calotropis, and so tropical xerophytic characters, axillary phloem, bicollateral vascular bundles, and in lentiferous tubes in the anatomy of stems are common character. The leaves are opposite and sometimes alternate or hold. In some cases, they are caducous and vestigial. Some simple entire waxy. Very interesting one is that waxy leaves is also been there. So sometimes the leaves are modified into the pitchers, and these pitchers are also been there, and they may have the succulent hoya or reduced to spines or scale, like in the case of the cactus. The inflorescence in this case is a racemose or chymose, or maybe solitary or axillary also. In chymose type, the main axis end in the flower. An axil of the two bracteose branches occurs, producing dicaseal chyme. One of the two branches of the dicaseal grow faster, and after few branching, the weaker gets suppressed completely and the inflorescence become monocaseal. This type of inflorescence has also been named as cincinus. It may be a racemose or raceme or umbellate Asclepias when the axillary one branch arises from each node in the axil of the leaf. In some cases, the inflorescence arises from lower part, and inflorescence rises into the space between the two leaves and at higher level due to sympodial development. The flower is in this case, if I'm just getting these points, then you are also observing that inflorescence is usually a dicaseal chyme is there, arising into the leaf axil, or sometimes it is a racemose or umbellate, as in Asclepias and Calotropis. Flowers are bracteate, bracteolate, perfect, hermaphrodite, actinomorphic, pentamerous, and hypogynous. Calyx is composed of 5 sepals, which are united below to form a short calyx tube. The lobes are quinquennial, imbricate, or velvet in birds. The corolla is gamopetalous and usually rotate and 5 cleft or lobed, but sometimes it is a campanulate, gynema, or it may be the funnel form in like the Cryptostegia. Or also the corolla tube is often with a corona, which is in the form of ring or hair. Scales are or processus corona is there. Stamen are 5. Epipetalous condition is there and inserted at the or near the base of the corolla tube. In the subfamily, there are subfamilies has also been there. The subfamily Periploaceae, the filament are free. The anthers are coherent and appressed at the expandal styler head. The pollen is granular and united into the 2 tetrads. With the subfamily Asclepidae, the filaments are connate at the and it's a short fleshy column. The anthers is crowning the column are adnate by the connectives to pentagonal stigma, forming the gymnostegium. The pollen grains are united into the 2 waxes masses, pollinia in each cell. The pollinia is united in pairs of corticles. This may have various shapes may be there. Gynoecium is bicarpellary, or ovary of the 2 carpels are free, and also their style, which are united in their apices and dilate to forms a pelted stigma and 5 lateral stigma surface. The ovary of each carpel is unilocular and with a single ventral placenta bearing numerous anatropous pendulous ovules. The fruit and seed. Fruit is the 2 follicles and which are close together with or divergent. They vary in shape and are membranous to woody in this case of the Asclepidaceae family. In this case, the seed you can recognize that. The Asclepias, this is a flower of Asclepias, and this is a Asclepias carassivoda. This is another flower you can say. This is a floral Calotropis procera floral diagram. And also you can say the seeds are flattened and commonly bear a terminal tuft of long white silky hairs. The endosperm is dense and copious in endosperms. So this is a floral diagram, and floral formula is bracteate, bracteolate, actinomorphic, hermaphrodite, K5 fuse, C5 fuse, A5 fuse, Z2 superior ovary is there. And this as we just finding the floral diagram, the pollination, the flower is perfectly adapted for the insect pollination. So very interesting one is that the flower is very interesting one, and this is really for the insect attraction. In Peripleusia subfamily, the pollens are transferred onto the spoon-shaped translator, each of which have a sticky basal disc. The insect visitors or retiring carries the whole translator as a base adhered to its head. The pollen content of the translator may be deposited onto the stigma surface when the same insect visit another flower. In the subfamily Asclepidae, as insect visiting the flower for a nectar trap, its lag or proboscis between the osmotically elastic anther wing and the withdrawal its carriers and the sutured corpusculum with the pollinia. When this insect visit another flower, in the process of catching leg or proboscis, the pollinia are transferred to the receptive surface of the stigma, which is beneath the anther wing. The seeds, which is a terminal tuft of hairs, are distributed by wind. In often they are dispersed by water as well as the human agency. So this, as we just showing the floral diagram of Calotropis, and this is a floral formula. This family is also the economically important one because this flower is ornamental one, like the Asclepias, milkweed, the Ceropegia, also the Staplia, the Cryptosegia, and also they are going well. Rubber vine, also ornamental one. The medicinal one, Tylospora indica, Indian Impercacuha, are used to treatment of asthma, bronchitis, and whooping cough. The Cynecum aromaticum is used as insecticide. Dried stem of Sacrostema acidum is energetic, and illusion of the root is used as antidote for snake bite. Dried root of Hemidesmus indicis, Indian Sarsaparilla constitutes Hemidesmus, or Antamul, which is a blood purifier. So this has been used. A blood purifier, and chronic rheumatism and urinary and skin diseases. Gygnema sylvestria is a stomach stimulant, laxatic, and diuretic, and is useful in cough, ballooness, and sore eyes. Other uses: the latex of Calotropis jagensia and C. procera. Calotropis procera is used in tanning industry. Deodorizing for removing hairs and impairing yellow colors to hide. Latex of Cryptostegia grandiflora is a commercial source of rubber. The bast fiber obtained from the stem of Asclepias Caracea Tylospora. So this is the uses is there, and so this there is a two subfamily in this group, or Asclepidaceae family, the Peripleusia and Asclepidae. So this chief filaments usually free, and pollen masses are granular in the case of Peripleuia, and Asclepidaceae. Asclepidaceae filament is connate, and pollen masses are waxy and free. Some genera is Calotropis asclepias. The subfamily Peripleucas is raised to the status of separate family. The Peripleuclia by some botanists such as Hutchinson and Erishaw. Family Asclepidaceae is considered as closely related to and advanced over the Apocynaceae, and usually included the order Gentianales along with the Apocynaceae. So this family, as we just talk about the Asclepidaceae, this Asclepidaceae is used as a ornamental one, medicinal one. Some other importance has also been recognized with this Asclepidaceae family. So this Asclepidaceae family, however, they are different from Apocynaceae family. So this ornamental one, they are rubber. Rubber has also been latex, which also been, you can say. So this also comes from this family. So this family is a very interesting family, Asclepidaceae, and this Asclepidaceae family, which we are calling the Madar family or the milkweed family. So this family is providing the milky juice, very characteristic one, and also the in this case you can find some perennial erect herbs, shrubs, milky juicy juice has been there. The leaves are opposite, rarely alternate or hold, simple, entire, sometime absent. Flower is cymose. In this case, also the pentamerous, hermaphrodite, calyx lobe is 5, estivation quinquincinal. The odd sepals is posterior one. Corolla tube is short, often with a ring of scale in the mouth, estivation velvet or imbricate. Stamen 5, rarely free, generally connate into a column with the anther, adhering to the stigma or broad connective, forming a gynostegium. So gynostegium is also the very interesting feature of this Asclepidaceae family. In this case, the pollen are in 1 or 2 granular waxy masses is there, and also the style is 2 connate, cohering above and dilated in the form of 5 angle. Just I'm repeating the points. And fruit is normally to the 2 follicles. So this family, which we are calling the Asclepidaceae family, bracteate, bracteolate, actinomorphic, hermaphrodite, K5, C5, A5, all of them are fused. And G2, this is a very interesting feature of the flowers, and this is a floral diagram. So this is all about the Asclepidaceae family. Thank you very much.